Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tell if someone unfriended you on Snapchat. So the first step is make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat application. Go to your Play Store or App Store and check if there is any update. After you update, just open your Snapchat application, and then there are actually two ways to knowing if someone unfriended you on Snapchat. The first one is to proceed to your profile in the upper left corner, then scroll down and look for this option, My Friends, under the Friends section. Tap on it and then you should not be able to see his or her or their name on your friend list section. And then for the second step, just simply go back to home page or on the camera and then proceed to the chat section and click on the profile of that person just like this one, and then you may not be able to see this number right here if he, she or them has or have unfriended you. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can tell if someone unfriended you on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.